Welcome to Intellify. Stop ecocide. What is ecocide? Ecocide is defined as large scale and systematic damage and destruction to ecosystems. In other words, serious damage to the natural living world. The destruction also needs to have occurred as a result of decisions or mismanagement by a person or group. Essentially, a specific person or group must be directly responsible for the effects. Ecocide is mass damage and destruction of ecosystems, harm to nature which is widespread, severe, or systematic. Ecocide committed over decades has created the climate and ecological emergency that we now face. Despite all this, it has not yet been accepted as an international crime by the United Nations. What is the solution? The solution to criminalize the practice of ecocide is by enforcing international law. Earth Law, or the Ecocide Law, is a newly emerging body of law to prevent and prohibit ecosystem destruction, loss, and damage. Ecocide is not yet an international crime. When it is, it shall protect the rights of the natural world, living systems, the global ocean, biosphere, migrant and indigenous of our earth for current and future generations. Why do we need an ecocide law? Ecocide is serious harm to the ecosystem. The harm can occur in many ways within the context of dangerous industrial or climate activity. The consequences of ecocide can be widespread, long-term, or severe. Ecocide law, as proposed by Stop Ecocide Foundation, protects both people and the planet within two contexts: corporate and climate activity. Ecocide crime protects lives, prevents planetary boundary tipping points, and prohibits dangerous industrial activity. And climate disasters are the ultimate responsibility of the very people who have the power to prevent serious harm. Planetary boundaries. Planetary boundaries consist of 9 planetary life support systems essential for human survival. Beyond these boundaries, there is a risk of irreversible and abrupt environmental change. Climate and ecological emergencies are the result of many years of harmful industrial activities. Most of the risks have been known for decades by the companies who chose to continue these practices. The responsibility lies with decisions made at the top of industry, finance, and government. However, as citizens, we can and must take responsibility for what we eat and what we buy, as we humans are the ones that made the mess and we are the only ones that can clean it up. A little bit can go a long way if everyone pitches in. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content, keep watching Learn with Intellify.